Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about nouns. Noun is a part of speech and the definition of a noun goes like this. Noun is a naming word which refers to persons, places, things, etc. Nouns are naming words referring to persons, places, things, etc. So everything in this universe has a name. We call a thing by its name. We call a person by his or her name. So everything in this universe has a name. So that name is known as a noun. Now, in this picture, a person is being shown. Most of you may know this person. He is a famous cricket player and he is Sachin Tendulkar. Since Sachin is a name of a person, it is a noun. It is an example for a noun. And in this picture, a place is shown. And this place from the picture itself, we can know that it's Ernakulam. And Ernakulam, since it's a name of a place, that is also a noun. A ball is given in the picture. And it's a volleyball. So, it's a name of a thing. Volleyball is a name of a thing. So, it's also a noun. So, noun can also be a name of a thing. And finally, the picture of a tiger is being shown there. Tiger is the name given to an animal. So, tiger is also a noun. So, basically, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. The name of anything in this world is a noun. A noun is a naming word. So you can see man, ant, school, city, lion, bee, disease, shoe. All these words are nouns. So here is a small task. A sentence is given here. The sentence is a typewriter is a useful machine. So in this sentence we are going to find out the nouns. I already told you a noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an animal. So with that definition in our mind, we are going to find out the noun given in the sentence. Typewriter. It's a noun because it's a name of a thing. Second one, machine. Machine is also a noun because it's name of a thing as well. So in the given sentence, typewriter and machine are the nouns. Another sentence is given for you. The cat belongs to Neera. So which are the nouns in this given sentence? The is an article. It's not a noun. Cat. Cat is the name of an animal. So cat is a noun. Belongs to is a verb and everything. And finally, Neera is the name of a person. So, Nero is also a noun. So, in this given sentence, there are two nouns. They are cat and Neera. Nouns can be classified into countable and uncountable nouns on the basis of its countability. For example, if you see a dog, you can count it. There is only one dog. Even if you see a group of dogs, even then you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dogs. So these nouns which can be counted are known as countable nouns. On the other hand, some nouns like water, oil cannot be counted. They can be weighed, but we cannot count its number. So, such nouns which we cannot count are known as uncountable nouns. Examples for countable nouns are dog, books, apples, etc. And examples for uncountable nouns include flour, water, oil, cereal, etc. Countable and uncountable nouns has other major differences as well. One is that countable nouns has a plural form. For example, book. If more than one book is present there, we can call it as books. But in the case of uncountable nouns, we cannot give a plural form. For example, furniture. But we cannot say furnitures. So, countable nouns has plural form while uncountable noun doesn't have a plural form. The second difference is that countable nouns can be preceded by a, an or the. We can say an apple, a dog, the dog, etc. But uncountable nouns cannot be preceded by a, an or one. We cannot say the furniture. We cannot say oil. We cannot use these kinds of articles in front of uncountable nouns. So these are the major differences between countable and uncountable nouns. So there are some categories of things. These categories you may think that they are countable. Example, furniture, fiction, clothes, soap, paper. So you may think these things are countable. Actually, they are not. We cannot count them. They comes under the category of uncountable nouns. Furniture, clothes, fiction, soap, all these things are categories actually. Because within the category of furniture, there comes chair, table, bed, etc. So these chairs, tables, all these things which comes under the category of furniture are considered to be countable nouns. But furniture itself is not countable. It's a category and it comes under uncountable noun. So how can we change these uncountable nouns to countable noun? So there are some countable equivalents of these uncountable nouns. For example, if you want to mention furniture as a single entity, you can say a piece of furniture. Example, there are two pieces of furniture in my home. Otherwise, you can mention the particular furniture. I have two chairs in my bedroom. So you can mention the particular furniture or you can say a piece of furniture. Likewise, if you want to specify one single unit of fiction, you can say as novel. You cannot say fictions, you can say novel. That is the countable equivalent of for fiction, which is an uncountable noun. You cannot say I have 3 clothes. You can say I have 3 pants. Or you can say I have 2 socks. So like that. And again, soap. You cannot say I have 3 soaps. You can say there is a cake of soap. So some uncountable nouns have its countable equivalent. So be aware of that. So that's all for today. Thank you.